Exercise 15.2, question number 17. Construct a parallelogram PQRS in which PR is equal to 7.5, QS is equal to 5.8, and angle between these two diagonals, that means two diagonals are given. Okay, one is PR and other one is QS. P R Q S. PR 7.5, QS 5.8, and this angle between them 45 degree. So only this information is given and we have to draw a parallelogram. So what we will do, we'll draw first what, take this, draw 7.5, 7.5 line you have to draw. Okay, then after that what will you do, find out perpendicular bisector. So bisector, how will you find out? Take half of, more than half. Okay, so draw an arc up and down. Down also you have to draw. Okay, now this point is this point is the middle point, center of what? Center of PR. Okay, this one is center of PR and PR is 7.5. That means this one will be 3.75. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to draw angle between them 45 now. So take this one at center and 40, and this one will be 45. Okay, now draw a line. Draw a line, and then after that what will you do? Next one is 5.8. Half of 5.8 will be 2.9. Okay, so what we will do, take this one, two point nine. Okay, and place here. Okay, cut here, and cut here, and then this point is nothing but what? See what we got. This angle is 45 degree. Okay, and this point is nothing but what? QS. Okay, now what you can do, join this point this parallelogram PQRS where angle between them is 45 degree. Done.